What if I told you that Big Food has been playing tricks on you this entire time? Welcome back to the channel where we expose food industry lies. I'm your host, and today we're going undercover. Look, food companies have teams whose only job is to make garbage look healthy. But after 3 minutes with me, you'll have their playbook memorized. Hit subscribe if you're ready to join the rebellion against sneaky food marketing. And stick around. I've got a challenge at the end. Welcome to the greatest magic trick in the food industry. They take a normal bag you'd finish in one sitting, and poof, suddenly it's 2.5 servings. Before you look at anything else, find the serving size and ask, is this what a human being would actually eat? If the answer is no, grab your calculator. We're doing some quick math. Treat the package with suspicion. Always convert to how much you'll actually eat. Calories are playing the ultimate game of hide and seek, and they're winning. You see 100 calories and think perfect. But that's per serving. If there are 3 servings, surprise! It's like ordering a pizza and being charged per slice, not per pizza. Sneaky, right? Pro move: always multiply calories by how much you're actually going to eat. Don't let math trick you. If it looks too low for the portion, question it. Your wallet and waistline will thank you. Time to put on your detective hat. We're looking for clues in the macro section. Fats. Not all fats are created equal. Some are supportive. Hello, avocados. Others are toxic. Trans fats. Carbs. High sugar plus low fiber equals candy in disguise. Protein is your hunger-fighting superhero. If your snack has less protein than a rice cake, it's not going to keep you satisfied. Detective challenge. Find a snack with at least 5 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber. Golden combo. Sugar has more aliases than a secret agent. If it ends in "ose" or has syrup in the name, it's sugar, babe. Reality check. If sugar in any disguise is in the first 3 ingredients, you're basically holding dessert. Own it. If it's dessert, enjoy occasionally. But don't let marketing trick you into thinking it's everyday food. Last stop, the ingredient list, where companies really tell on themselves. Ingredients are listed most to least. If sugar or oil is first, that's literally the main character. Grandma test. If your grandma wouldn't recognize more than half the ingredients, that's a red flag. Short ingredient list. It's usually good. Long list that looks like a chemistry textbook. Proceed with caution. Investigation question. What's the weirdest ingredient you've ever seen? Drop it in the comments. Let's build a Hall of Fame. Congratulations! You just graduated from Nutrition Label Academy. Seeing through the serving size illusion, spotting calories in disguise, macro detective, sugar alias recognition, ingredient investigation, you're unstoppable. And just like that, you've become the person Big Food doesn't want you to be: informed. Your mission: next grocery trip. Pick one item you thought was healthy and investigate it with your new skills. Smash that like button, comment your biggest "wait, what?" label discovery, and subscribe. We're just getting started. Until next time, keep investigating.